Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Back to handcuffs. This is an exploit that I am calling Pawl press. The locking pawls on handcuffs are spring-loaded, and they can be forced out of the way. You just need to apply some directional force against them. A thin piece of metal when bent or curved has the ability to act like a spring. We can use this to our advantage to apply a directional load to the pawls. This will not work if the pawls are double locked. Can this work whilst wearing the fine bracelets? Absolutely. Here I am sliding the metal tension tool through the cheek plates and then I feel the abrupt stop. I have now reached the teeth face. As I push against the teeth, the metal tool is now bending. It cannot defeat the ratchet teeth, but it can now move against the spring. This then disengages the teeth from the ratchet and allows the cuff to slip away easily.